Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing the winter Fab Fit Fun box and giving away one of these items to one of you. I don't even know which one yet. Let me set this down. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of November. It is the Huda Beauty Gemstones Obsessions palette. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. I'll talk about how to enter this one. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the video in their entirety. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. And it's mainly like these two shades right here and then this one all over the lid. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. It's $49.99 a season. So it comes out 4 times. It's lifestyle, it's beauty, it's makeup, it's skincare, it's fitness, it's things for the home, good for you type things. FabFitFun is the longest subscription box that I have had. It's been a couple of years now. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love their add-ons. In fact, I did purchase the mystery bundle from this add-on and that was my prior video. So make sure to check it out because there's a giveaway in that one as well. I do have a code for FabFitFun. If you want to check them out, it'll save you a little bit of money and helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. That code is just there for your convenience. It's down in the description box down below. And then I also have some starter boxes to give away if you're interested in those as well. So let's dive in here and see what's in. If I remember right, there were some really cool things that I'm super excited for. So they did little stickers. They don't put all of the items in their letter magazine anymore. So if they're still going to send the magazine, I wish that they would list all the items in it because I have to look them up on my phone, which is not that big of a deal, but still. There's a thing for 16 free meals to HelloFresh. I have 2 things for whatever reason. Nourish Tis This Season. Get personalized nutrition delivered monthly. Selected by experts. You can be your best. What else is in here? Sip by Take a Personalized Tea Journey. And get 50% off your first box with code FabFitFun. For Bright Sellers and a thing for HBO Max 14-day free trial. Now, if you've been around the block for me for a while, you will know that my favorite retinol, and I do use retinol every other night, is the Sunday Riley A+ high dose retinol. So when this was choice item, I was like, yes, please. Kind of what the inner packaging looks like. Love this. Remember, we're giving away one of these items to one of you. So I had to go onto my FabFitFun account to view everything. I will tell you that the total of my box is $306. Not bad for only spending $49.99. So this does retail for $85. If you're dealing with dull skin this winter, you should incorporate retinol into your nighttime skincare routine. The serum delivers 6.5% solution of stabilized retinoid blends and Hawaiian white honey, cactus extract, and ginger to improve the look of congested and UV damaged skin. You're just a drop away from better looking skin. I have noticed such a big difference in my skin with this. Love it. So another product that I'm super excited to try. I have curly hair. I don't wash my hair every night, and most of the time I put it in some sort of cotton cloth, really headband that goes all the way back. But I really wanted to try a satin kind of bonnet, like think, like 17th, 18th century Victorian times. because they will protect your hair so well. So they had these, and they do retail for $40. There's for 2 of them, and it says, for curly and coily haired girls, this luxurious sleep cap is a great way to keep your hair protected. It's a 2-in-1 reversible satin bonnet that will help prevent frizz, maintain hair's moisture, and preserve hairstyles. Plus, it's adjustable to fit any hairstyle and made of charmeuse satin. It is an extra large size to fit almost any head size, length, and thickness of hair. Let's open her up. I'm so excited for this. Yeah, they're hooked together, but there are 2 ones. This one is kind of the green, and then it's got, is it that same pattern? No, it's a little bit of a different pattern on this side. And then this one is this one, which is super cute. Reminds me of kind of like island vibes. And then it's got a light pink on this side. Let's see, this will fit my big. And then it's got a drawstring that you can just tighten it however tight you want it. But let's just try. I know this is gonna look stupid and silly. But if it's going to protect my hair and make it so it's not all dry and damaged, yes please, this one's a winner for me. Although, don't put these on when you have lashes on, because then you have to reapply your lashes. So I did also choose from Kate Spade the Rise and Shine Stud Earring Set of 2, valued for $68. Looks like this. And then here are what these look like. So these are incredible. These are gorgeous. I am absolutely loving this box so far. Come in a little cute little drawstring pouch. It does say add double the charm to your lobes with these gold plated studs and let your ears in. Sparkle and shine. It's cubic zirconia against gold plated metal, glass pearls against gold plated metal. It is Kate Spade, obviously a female founded brand. From Briogeo is the Curl Charisma Rice Amino plus Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. Does retail for $20. And for those of you with wavy, curly, and coily hair texture types, this curl cream is infused with rice amino acids, avocado oil, quinoa extract, and tomato fruit ferment extract to give you soft, bouncy, and vibrant curls. It helps your hair retain moisture and increase elasticity to protect against damage. It's great for wavy, curly, and coily hair textures. It is 6 ounces and vegan and cruelty-free, paraffin-free, sulfite-free, gluten-free. So yeah, I got a curl cream in my last box, and so far I'm not that happy with it. It's super heavy. I have learned that you only use like a tiny amount, but then it doesn't seem to really control the frizz as much. So on the new hunt for a new one. From Grown Alchemist is a body cream in mandarin and rosemary leaf. It does retail for $26. Winter dryness will be a thing of the past when you use hydrating body cream. It's formulated to protect bioactive ingredients like shea butter and jojoba oil to noticeably moisturize and soothe dry skin. It also features vitamin C from cold pressed mandarin orange oil to improve skin's suppleness. It does retail for 4 ounces and is vegan. So I love putting something like this on my nightstand. Just so I can put it on my hands right before I go to bed. Now the last 3 items were part of a bundle. It was the Avena Sensuals Aesthetic Bundle, valued at $67. So what it includes is Avena Thermal Spring Water. Whenever your skin is feeling dry, spritz the thermal water onto your face to smooth, soften, and calm the skin. It's perfect for midday refreshers. I actually have a full size of this. Love it, especially like on winter months where it's super dry, or on summer months where it's super hot. Just give a little, and it's a really, really fine mist. I love this. I've gone through multiples of these. So the next one was featured in our prior box. It is Essentials Vitamin C Serum. Additional info is add the serum into your skincare routine to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and leave the skin with a healthy glow. This is 99.7% natural serum. Is made with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and Edelweiss plant stem cells to hydrate and brighten the skin. It is 2 ounces. It is a cruelty-free product. I remember got it in a prior box. Use this every morning. I love this vitamin C. This is great. So the last item that is part of this bundle is the Stucco liquid eyeliner. It does give yourself the perfect cat eye with this highly pigmented liquid liner. It has long-lasting finish, glides on easily and stays on for hours. It is black. It's 0.11 of a fluid ounce, paraben-free, gluten-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. Now, because I have such hooded eyes, the only time I ever do a liner, most of the time I'll just, if I do any liner, I'll do it with shadow, is if I do a liquid liner, it's gotta be if I'm wearing lashes, and it's one of the magnetic liquid liners like I have on today. So I'm gonna pass this one on to somebody who I know will love it. I thought this box was outstanding. I absolutely loved it. What did you guys think? Let me know everything in the comments down below. Secret word, FabFitFun. So let's give away that liquid eyeliner. I'd much rather have one of you guys use it who will love it. I love giving back to you guys and making somebody happy. YouTube's no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. So in the description box down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. You can get 3 bonus entries, and how you can get those is 1, if you go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to, like I said, brighten somebody's day. It is open internationally. I am then responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. So let's have this giveaway go through December 10th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on December 15th, we'll do a video where we announce all the winners from the prior month. And what I do is I'll take your first name and first initial of your last name from that Google form. I will also put in there if you did do the bonus entries. If you did mark that you did do the bonus entries, make sure that you did do so, because I do check. And then the computer spins everything around, and we all get to see it, and we all get to see who the computer picks. Don't ask to be picked, because the computer is the one who does it. And then give me a couple days once the giveaway is over to get everything packaged, mailed out to everybody. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Nobody else has access to it but me, and your privacy is very, very important to me. I don't sell your information or anything like that. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you could do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I do giveaways a lot here on this channel, and there is a big one. Big one coming up, so you want to make sure that you are notified of that. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I greatly appreciate you checking them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.